Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix this issue where the emulator refuses to start. I have to say that I have a pretty good PC, and I even did a fresh install in the hope of making this emulator work, but that doesn't seem to be the case apparently. I even have the latest drivers, but that doesn't change much. I show you my configurations. Basically, you have to go in this folder, update your user profile, update that local Android SDK emulator. You go here, you open the terminal. These are basically my settings. As you can see, Hyper-V is enabled. Acceleration, I have this. The other option is something like WHPX, that is the Windows implementation. It doesn't really matter. I use both, but there's no difference, I think. This is Hyper-V basically. It works. Okay, and to start your emulator, you basically have to go here. You see this? Okay. Type in this command to show the list of the AVDs, and I have the Pixel Fold API 35. That's it. And you want to start the emulator with this command, emulator.exe with this AVD, the name of your AVD. You replace this with the device you want to emulate. In these two parts are very important: GPU host and feature Vulkan. You can start it like this. Execute it. Okay, just give it a couple of seconds. And okay, so yeah, basically you started with the command line instead of clicking this. I haven't found a way to set the launch parameters. This is the only way I know as of now. The device is starting up. Yeah, a couple of seconds. Actually, okay, it should be on now. Yeah, it works. And yeah, that's it. Now you can use it as normal, and yeah, this is Chrome working. Come on. Okay. So it's quite smooth as well, but you can even run the code in your IDE. Doing this, you press this, and shows up the very simple application. I actually did nothing. That's basically a stock project that just shows hello Android, and that's it. It works. You can stop it like this. Another very important thing is that this command you can this is very important, okay, but this you can actually change host to any of this. Actually not any, because auto was what was blocking it from working. You can use host to use GPU acceleration, which is the best one actually, if you have the good dedicated GPU, or even integrated graphics. They're pretty good these days. The other two options are either this or this. Both are software solution for rendering, and they are very intensive. If you use this, the CPU is going to pack at 100%, and it's not very efficient. It's pretty laggy as well. So yeah, it's very important that you use both these, because if you don't put the GPU host, your system may crash straight up. It happened to me many times. And that's it. Basically, that's it. I don't have much to say. I hope that helps, and happy coding.